What's up, 10 Skill Squad? We are in the 10 Skill Garage. My brother Matt is back. You'll remember him from such films as 30-Year-Old Losi and an 18-year-old T-Max Go Rippin'.
Yes.
Ethan is here as well. And we have been waiting to film this video for literally a year and a half. A year and a half, you sent me a message that said that you bought something pretty spectacular.
I did.
When did you order this thing?
In February of 2020.
And when did you actually receive it?
In May 2021. It was a long wait.
And you've only driven it just once or twice?
Once.
Once?
Yeah, outside. I drove it once in the house too, so twice technically.
So yeah, I don't really know a whole lot about these, but we are gonna give it the full wang dang today, all the berries, and we're gonna run it, right?
Absolutely.
Heck yeah.
They'll pretty much look the same. We need something different. And we need sustainable energy now. We have to have a pickup truck. So I present to you the Cybertruck.
I gotta be honest, it's smaller than I anticipated.
It's not the size that matters.
Doesn't look like anything else. It allows you to do things that you can't do with the body on frame.
I was outside mowing the lawn and the FedEx guy came up and he said, you know, this box has writing on the outside of it. Do you want me to hide it or something because it might be a present for your kid as a birthday present? I'm like, heck no, that's for me.
Even the transmitter is, Cybertruck branded. And if this looks familiar, it is all Charisma Electronics. Is that right?
Yeah.
What else comes in the box?
Well, you get this little Cybertruck charger and the cable for the charger. Comes with a little holder for the throttle limiter that's on there. And it comes with a bumper guard for novices.
Yeah.
Thick Lexan body guard.
We won't need that.
We're not going to do that. We're professionals. And then it comes with the quick start guide for 14 and up.
Sweet.
And it also comes with, oh, where's it at?
Oh my god. Sure. Oh man, it didn't go through.
Because you can't be scale unless the windows are broken.
That's right. For this window and this window. And they're in the right spot too.
That's hilarious.
I think they actually took the image of the real brake and made the sticker.
That's hilarious.
Tailgate.
Nice.
With ramp.
Nice.
Yeah. And the tonneau cover. Or vault.
Vault. Now, the real Cybertruck doesn't have this step here, right?
Correct. Yeah, it's just, the pre-production one. I guess.
Right.
I don't know what the production one's going to look like. But yeah, no, it's...
Right, that's to contain the guts.
Suspension, basically.
Right. The windows are pretty dark, but there are seats in there.
And it has a yoke steering wheel.
Oh, nice. XT60 plug. And that's the battery that it came with, right?
It is correct, yeah.
It came with a 3,000 milliamp. I think that's a 30C3S because this is brushless. It is worth mentioning that the charger is a 3-amp charger, even this little funky little thing. And it does have a proprietary connector So, you know, it is what it is.
That on?
It is.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Sick. That is very cool, I must say. It's even got the light bar.
Oh, it does.
How cool is that? Hashtag scale as shit. Do you care if I ask you how much you paid for this?
$400.
$400. Which, I mean, if you think about it, the Traxxas Fortec 3.0, that was like, what, 320?
Yeah.
And that doesn't have lights. That doesn't come with a groovy box. That didn't come with a battery or a charger.
Or a brushless system.
Or a brushless system. So now we've taken a look at the outside. Can we take a look on the inside and kind of see what all the internals look like?
Sure. Yeah, of course, the first day I ran it, you know, I just mowed the yard because, you know, I was out mowing the yard when they delivered it. So I'm running it around, driving it through the grass. There's grass everywhere. And I take it in the house and I'm like, oh crap, there's grass like inside the interior.
If it's brand new.
How am I gonna get that out of there?
If it's brand new and you hand me the controller, it will 100% end up on its roof somehow, in some way, shape, or form.
Does it have instructions?
No.
No, it doesn't?
It doesn't tell you how to do this.
They do claim that this is hobby grade, so
Right.
I mean, you would think that it was
Supposed to be taken apart. That's my thoughts. All right, I got it.
Really?
Yeah. Show me the goods. Fully independent suspension with sway bars, front and
I
rear.
mean, they're like anodized shocks. I mean, they're
Oil filled,
oil filled. Yeah.
and it's got open diffs, front and rear. So it's not really a crawler, is it?
No, it's not made to crawl. It's an on-road vehicle, pretty much. But it's got Charisma speed control and receiver box. Charisma servo.
Charisma servo, yep. Yeah, the turnbuckles are threaded. We could,
Oh, sweet.
yeah, we can wrench on that.
That's great, because this one's not quite...
Yeah, the alignment out of the box leaves a bit to be desired.
But that's why it's hobby grade.
That's
You can
right.
mess with it. Metal drive shaft, you can see right here.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, what's this? I don't know what that is. It's like a cord.
It's a mystery.
I have no idea.
Is the bed open? Close it.
Oh, you're right. That's what it is.
So if you had like a Reefs RC servo,
Oh man,
you could have
motorize that.
Yeah, you could.
Look at that.
Yeah. How cool. How fast does it go?
I have no idea. It goes pretty fast.
Should we find out?
We are going to find out.
Yes. But before we do that, I know a lot of you are curious, or maybe you're not curious, but I'm curious. Let's see what that looks like next to some other 10th scale vehicles. So here she is next to the Traxxas Fortec 3.0. Believe it or not, the Cybertruck has a little bit longer wheelbase, and the Traxxas 3.0 is actually pretty big for a 10th scale vehicle. The wheelbase is longer on the Cybertruck?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it does have a... So, in real life, this is about the same size as a Ford F-150. Yeah, that seems about right. And they do look good together, I must say. So, that's what it looks like, but let's go drive it. Should we do it?
Let's do it.
What are you doing?
I see it! Finally, all right. Like the first real official run that isn't, you know, in grass or inside or...
Yeah, I'm excited.
We're gonna do it. Brought the infraction out, got the GoPro mounted, and we also brought the Fortec 3.0. So I think, we think drag race? Should we do it? 3, 2, 1, go. I got the legs on you.
Yeah.
Oh no!
I heard that. You totally. I heard
Stripped.
it pop. No, I heard it. You exploded it. I heard it pop.
That's, yeah, something's not happy. That tire's done. Although it may have been done before.
Yeah, I did something in here.
Yep.
Yeah, I can feel it.
As soon as I turn off the camera, you roll the dang thing. So the Cybertruck comes with some different modes. You can put it in chill mode, or of course you can put it in ludicrous mode. And I'm guessing that was in ludicrous mode.
It was, yes.
Getting ready for the drag race. Puts it in the, oh no! Oh no!
Roll it. All set.
You'll notice that I was not driving. Neither was Ethan, miraculously.
Comes with the territory when you play with us.
That's right. Woo! All right, so she's a little ripper. She's a little ripper. Yeah. Yeah. So not as fast as the Traxxas Fortec 3.0 with that brushless system in it. But how fast is it? We put a GPS in it.
That's right.
Where is it? Well, it's right where you would expect it to
man.
be. Hold on. What do you think?
26.
Did you see it already?
I did.
I'm gonna say 32. What's the answer?
26.
26! Wow!
That's awesome.
Was that ludicrous mode?
That was full beans. That was everything.
All the berries.
Dang.
Woo! So what do you think, Matt? You also own an Arma Notorious.
Yes.
Definitely not as fast as the Notorious.
No, we're not nearly as fast.
It's got to be just as fast, if not faster, than the low-C buggy.
Yes. Not running 3S though. 3S, the low-C buggy will smoke it.
You think so?
Oh, yeah.
With a brushed motor.
Yes.
But I'll tell you what, the Cybertruck looks pretty cool doing it.
It does.
Oh my gosh. Oh!
Terrible range.
Yeah, so the range is pretty bad. You lost reception at the end of both of those drag races.
Yeah, and I had to walk almost half the way down there just to get control back. Pretty broke down, so.
Yeah, I mean, you know, once you put the first scratch in it,
Right.
it's kind of like a relief. Oh! Oh no! It was out of frame! Oh,
Road
no.
damage.
That might just be blacktop. That might be able to rub
think?
right out of there. Maybe.
I think it's plastic.
Oh, we're screwed. All right, so I was given the Cybertruck, trying to get a little rowdy in it, and then I lost steering, so there's no steering anymore at all. And the front diff is, I mean, this wheel just spins freely.
Yeah.
So the diff might be a little dunsky. And the old Cybertruck, for being its first real outing, there's rubber on the side of it, so we were definitely putting the tires through some torture, and the rest of it is just, well,
A little bit of wear and tear.
yeah, a little bit of wear and tear.
Just need some touch up.
That's right.
So parts availability, the good thing is it is a Charisma. We think it's a Charisma chassis. At least it uses Charisma electronics. We might be able to get diffs. We could definitely put a servo in it. But yeah, Tesla Cybertruck. It's heavy. The range is terrible, and durability wise, it might leave something to be desired. But it does look really cool.
What? That's a Fortec down, a Cybertruck down.
The infraction
I think,
is flawless.
I think it's a good time to. Whoa! We got the get your gimbal shuffle going on there.
The gimbal's broken.
Yeah, I
Everything's
think it's a
broken.
good time to call it quits there before we break that bad boy. Whoa!
All right, 10 Scale Squad, what do you think? It was a lot of fun, and hopefully you guys liked this video. Tell me what you guys think down below. What do you think of the Cybertruck? pretty awesome. We've waited such a long time to do a video with this thing. Matt, thank you so much for bringing it. Thanks for buying it and letting us absolutely destroy it.
Of course. What else are you gonna do?
That's what we do here at 10 Scale Garage.
Ain't no shelf queens here. Ain't no shelf queens here. But let me know what you think down below. If this is your first time checking out the channel, welcome. I'm glad you found it. We like to do RC shenanigans like this all the time. We've got some more epic stuff coming up. You want to stick around. All right, guys, until next time. We're chopping Vortex out here.
Fantastic.